Good morning, children. How are you? I'm Saujanya and I'm working as English and Life Skill Trainer in APSWRS and JC SM Nagar, Kakinada. Every child is a different kind of flower. Altogether, they make this world a beautiful garden. Children, what have you learned in the previous session? Did you all share this with anyone at your home? What did you learn about yourself in the session? Okay, right. Today I will teach you an interesting topic, that is understanding aspirations. This is from class 7. Objective. The main objective of this topic is to help participants identify positive qualities in others and develop an appreciation for people in their lives. Resource material. The resource material required for this topic is a worksheet with the title Qualities I Like in Others. Introduction. Now let us look into the introduction. Listen carefully, don't look here and there. Okay. The important aspect in our life is setting a goal and achieving it. You need a goal which is realistic, achievable, and above all, you have got to be interested in. Goal setting involves the development of an action plan designed to motivate and guide a person towards a goal. Goal setting and aspirations are a powerful process for thinking about your ideal future and for motivating yourself to turn your vision of this future into reality. Now, first of all, let us know what is the definition of the aspiration. An aspiration is a desire or ambition for which someone is motivated to work very hard for achieving something. Children, we all have different aspirations. Someone want to become an engineer and some other person want to become a doctor, a fashion designer, a teacher, etc. Right? We want all these aspirations to be fulfilled. During the process of designing our goals, we are motivated by something or some people. This motivation makes us work hard to reach our goals. There are many people we get impressed by. These people influence our decisions about many things, right from the kind of clothes we wear to how we should walk and talk, and we prefer, and sometimes also about that we wish to become when we grow up into adults. Goal setting activities. Now children, pause this video for 10 minutes. Take the worksheet and write the title Qualities I Like in Others. Think about the people in your life. Give an example of one person you admire in each of the areas of your life and share two positive qualities that you would like to adopt from them. Write the names of the person and then discuss their admirable qualities which you would like to possess. You should write only the positive qualities like good confident skills, good initiator, positive attitude, etc. Remember children, you should avoid the qualities like their dressing style, shoes, etc. You may take the examples from your home, your friends, the famous personalities, your relatives, and your schoolmates. Now, children, take inspiration the people you admire and plan your way to reach your goal. Share your personal example. Talk about the people who inspire you. You need not get inspired by famous personalities. You may take any people in your surroundings as your inspiration. You may take your milkman or your maid or your regularly visited shopkeeper or a vegetable vendor as your inspiration. You can take the qualities that you like from different people who inspired you. Summary. While designing our goal, we are motivated by something or some people. You may take any people in your surroundings as your inspiration. Collect the worksheet from your teacher. Write the title as Qualities I Like in Others. One should write the positive qualities of a person you admire. You should avoid the qualities like dressing style, shoes, etc. You may take any people as your inspiration. You may also take the people surrounded by you in your daily life. Take 15 minutes to complete the worksheet and submit to your teacher. Debrief. This activity will make participants consciously think about people around them and what they like about those people. In some cases, this activity will help them appreciate the people around them, whose goodness they take for granted. Conclusion. I hope you understood now how to identify the positive qualities in others and develop an appreciation for people in their lives. Homework. Children, now you must complete this homework. Write the qualities you like in your favorite teacher. Write the qualities you like in your best friend. And the last one, write the qualities you like in your family members. Remember, children, you must not write the qualities like dressing style, shoes, etc. You must write only the qualities you like. Now it's time to take a leave. Work hard to reach your goal. All the best. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.